Hello Magix Movie Edit Pro community, this is Dave from Retired Time Productions, and this is sort of a remix of a movie I did earlier on the new features in Magix Movie Edit Pro 2018, which just came out. But while I'm doing that, I also want to announce the results of the Magix Movie Edit Pro 2018 giveaway contest that I did on YouTube, and then I'll get into the new features of it. So I used Gleam.io to do the competition, and it automatically picks the winner. I actually don't know the email addresses of everybody that entered, only the winner. So I don't know anyone's information. Gleam only gives me the winner's information. So if we go into the reporting section, you can see there was actually 42 users, and this is the results down here, what actions they took at the bottom here. You can see that. Okay, now I'm going to go in and pick the winner. So you go into the winners section and you can draw the winners right here, and it's going to draw just one winner, and 1 out of 42 doing the drawing, and the winner is Ben A. from California. So congratulations, Ben A., you are the winner. Now the others should get a notification by email that will be automatically sent out by Gleam.io. So thanks to everyone that entered the contest, and hopefully we'll be doing another one soon. So some of you that didn't win this time may win the next time.
Welcome to Retired Time Productions.
Now I want to talk about some of the features here on Magix Movie Edit Pro's 2018 version. So the differences between 2017 and 2018, one of them is that it has a smoother video editing than 2017, and they've added some hardware acceleration routines for the GPU, and this gives it like 5 times faster response than it had before, and that's really nice. I like that feature. They've also expanded the multimedia tracks, which I usually don't use that many anyway, but now it has up to 200, and this enables you to do 4K and 360 projects more easily. There's also a new menu interface that has sort of a tile view, and I'll show you that in a minute. There's up to 1,500 effects available, and that's expandable through their store if you want to add more effects. And then in the premium version, there's some new plugins, and they're listed here. Right there, those are the new plugins that are available. So this is just a very brief overview, and I have a movie up here on the timeline already. So I'm just getting ready to edit a video for my RC channel, and I've got this up here, and I'm going to go through and trim them, but I won't get into all that. I just wanted to show you what was different here in the menu. So like if I go into effects, I now have this tile view of all the effects with this new 2018 version. And at first I thought this was kind of hard to get used to, but it didn't take long, and I actually like it because the icons or the tiles give you some idea what the feature does by the little picture, so you can easily tell what you're going to affect. And if you want to avoid the tile look, you can go in here and pick from this list right here. So you just click this down arrow, and then you can click from the normal list that you used to have. Like if I wanted to go into say view animation, click that, and then it brings up just the tiles for that. Or if you want to see all of them, and I kind of do like the all view because you can quickly scroll down through all of the effects and just look what they look like. And also this carries over to like the templates. So here we have in the templates. So this is, again, you can just do it this way like you used to. Like if I wanted intro, outro, I could go there and then click here, and there's my intros and outros that were always available before, and maybe a few extras. So there they are right there. And if I go to transitions, then you can see all of the categories of transitions. So if I go to 3D basic, now you can see even there they have tiles, and I think this is where it really comes in handy, because from these tiles you can really see a picture of what that transition is going to do, how it's going to go from A to B when it performs its transition. So that's really nice. And as you go through them, you can quickly look and see just exactly what, see, there's the shapes, and you can see what the shapes are from the tiles. So that's very handy. I like that. And here under the audio tab, there's a thing here. It's very similar. You can go to sound collections, sound effects, and things like that. And most of these, I think, are available on the store, so you can get them there. And then back to import, which looks pretty much the same as it always did. So that's what the menus look like. So say you wanted to put a transition right here between these two clips. You could just easily go to templates, and then we're already in the transitions. If you weren't, you could just go here, click transitions. I'll just pick the basic one. Now you can see all of the tiles now show you the pictures. Say I want one that just looks like a cube right here. And I can practice by just doing this and see what it looks like. You see change over the screen. If you like it, then you can just bring it down, drop it on there, and now you can see it operate. So there it is right there. Okay, say I wanted to do a title. Simply go down here and select title templates. I'm going to go with a basic one. Pick the one you want. Just drag it down, drop it in there. There's your title. Type it in. Hit the checkbox or the check mark. I'll put bay, plain bay. Okay, and then you can change the size of it. Go over here, like that. And you can even add some shadowing if you want. You can do that, or this, just to add a little shadow. And that's basically it. Now down here, as far as the transport controls, that is still the same. As far as I can tell, everything here is the same. So it's going to operate pretty much the same just from the overall appearance. I don't see any hassle with it. I've been using it now for, I'd say, about a month. And I really like it. So far it hasn't locked up on me at all. I haven't had any lockup, so that's a new one. Usually I have a lockup here or there when I'm making a video, and I save it all the time just to make sure, but it hasn't locked up on me at all, so that's great. So that's just a quick overview. Now the next video I'll probably do more of a tutorial video and actually get into showing you how to use it, as I generally do. But I just wanted to give you just a brief overview of this to see what it looks like. And the biggest thing was the menu, so I just thought I'd show you that. And for now, you can just look on their website and you can look at this product and see what you think about it. I think they had it there for around $79. I don't know if there's an upgrade price. You could check that out. If you already have Magix, you might get upgrade even cheaper. I don't know. But that's it for now.